Welcome, friends, to this quick session on understanding how you can use artificial intelligence or AI in digital marketing. I believe that AI will have a large role to play in reducing the problems that marketers face today and will help them in increasing their revenues. Let's quickly look at some of the typical problems faced by digital marketers. If you are a digital marketer, you will agree that when you launch a campaign across digital media, you have very little idea about who watches your ads or clicks on them. So, if you have a click through rate of 1%, it also means that 99% of the remaining audience has decided not to click on your ads for reasons known only to them. This leads to high cost per acquisition and subsequently huge amounts of marketing losses for brands. For example, the other day I posted one of my properties for sale on a website that aggregates real estate properties, and from that day onwards, the same site started displaying me ads on Facebook for buying my own property. Poor quality leads is the greatest cause of rift between the sales and marketing teams. You may be launching a digital campaign to reach out to adult working females, but may end up getting leads from students. If there's anything that annoys people more than seeing 50 display ads per day from one company, it is seeing the same ads after they've made a purchase, maybe somewhere else. Most of the consumers are fed up with irrelevant content. I see foreign language ads on Facebook when I travel and get ads for categories that I don't shop in. Recently, when I was surfing for some old Hindi songs, I was shown an ad for a food supplement that is used only for women. So, friends, there are numerous other marketing problems that you may be dealing with. However, with the help of artificial intelligence, you can think of overcoming those problems and increasing the productivity of your marketing spends. The first use of AI in marketing is in improving your targeting. Using machine learning, you can reach out to the right audience at the right time and location. Today, AI systems such as IBM's Watson and Microsoft's Azure can comb through vast reams of data such as email clicks, interests, age, location, websites visited, shopping habits, and comments and conversations on social media. Customized algorithms are created which automatically give scores to this audience and then suggest the most relevant audience for displaying your ads. These insights can be used to create incredibly accurate 360-degree profiles of existing and future customers, ensuring that you only target consumers who already have the propensity to buy from you. Chatbots can be used for a variety of purposes. In marketing, it can be used to get excellent quality leads. Chatbots are hosted live on websites and powered by a virtual agent engine. Natural language processing or NLP, which can be lumped in with artificial intelligence, allows a chatbot application to understand human speech or text messages, including discerning intent. The chatbot is programmed to understand and respond to online queries and requests. Chatbots can also collect pre sales documents from prospects and gather hot leads. In the simplest application, a sentiment analyzer will tell you if the opinion expressed by people about your brand or product is positive, negative, or neutral. Did you know that you can customize a chatbot conversation to help the chatbot respond to a user's sentiment? This technique delivers a smarter and more human like artificial intelligence, which can respond as per the emotions people show in a written chat conversation. UX experts and developers can also use this tool and find out what products and features are missing the mark by analyzing negative emotions in product reviews. Depending upon which machine learning model one uses, the efficiency of the analysis varies from 90 to 95%. For example, Deep Forest Decision Tree model based on neural networks is the latest machine learning model and claims to have the highest accuracy in sentiment analysis. The fourth use of AI is in predictive analytics. The basic principle on which it works is that a customized system is set up which collects and cleans data, identifies different patterns, and predicts the occurrences of unknown future events. During campaigns, you can improve the quality of your leads through predictive analytics. With predictive lead scoring, an algorithm is created considering different information such as lead field and behavioral data, social information, demographics, etc. From there, the lead scoring algorithm then comes up with a formula that will automatically bucket your leads so that you can easily identify the most qualified ones. This will help you get much higher conversion rates and reduce your cost of client acquisition. Predictive analytics is also used for customer segmentation and sending customized messages to each segment as per their behavioral traits. So friends, if you have found this information useful, do share this short video on 4 uses of AI in digital marketing with your friends in the marketing fraternity. Thanks a lot for watching.